guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Stovetopyumyum. I'm creating another recipe with in my seasoning blend series. Today I'm making my version of Tuscan salmon. That's right, Tuscan salmon. And today we will be using my Holy Mango Organic Mango Caribbean Seasoning Blend. No salt, sugar, or gluten, guys. So let's get right to the ingredients. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we've got fresh salmon fillets, 5 fresh salmon fillets. I have 2 without skin because my son doesn't like skin. You can choose skin. I love crispy skin when I'm blazing. We've got 5 fresh salmon steaks, 3 cups of baby spinach. I have a medium onion chopped. I have 5 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. Yum. I have 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to use 1/3 of a cup of my Parmesan cheese. I have 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream. Yum. And I have 1/3 cup of water. Okay guys, for this recipe, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to grab our extra virgin olive oil. And I say it in every, oops, here it is. And I say it in every episode, that's the oil of my choice. You can use any oil you have on hand or that you like. I like extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. There we go. 2. Perfect. Now we're going to put our skillet on high. And we need to watch it, guys. As I always say, olive oil is not resistant to heat. Why? Because of the dark color. So if you grab yourself vegetable oil, it's very light, almost transparent. That's more heat resistant, but today we're using that. So what I'm going to do in the interim is, while that's heating up, we're going to grab our mango and we are going to, I grabbed a paper plate for my salmon, which I normally don't, but that's fine. We are going to use, I'm going to put our baby spinach here. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see. And it's usually 2 tablespoons. I kind of sprinkle it liberally on, I'm liberal on the salmon, and then I'll go ahead and rub it in. And I'll go ahead and do the other side. Oh my God, the smell of this mango is incredible. Guys, it's delicious, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, so you can just, massage that in. Give your salmon some love. Now we're gonna do the other side. This is delicious. If you like salmon, this stuff is just so delicious, you guys. We love salmon here in my home. All right, so let's grab some more of that mango. Don't worry if you go over, we'll total like 2 tablespoons, just sprinkling it on there, guys. You can be as generous as you'd like with the mango, because you're never gonna have to worry about it being over salty or sweet or anything. Don't forget, my mango is used with a green organic mango, so it's a deep mango flavor, but there's no sweetness. So that's a big difference. Oh, there we go. Just play it by ear, just sprinkle it on there. It should equal 2 tablespoons. Okay guys, our oil is heated. Skin down. Ooh, you got sizzle. Oh my goodness. 5 minutes on each side, or however you like your salmon cooked. I do about 5 minutes on each side. Remember never to touch your fish when you're searing it because it falls apart. Although salmon's a very sturdy fish, we're gonna put that in there. Yum. Ooh, wee, that's delicious. This is also a quick recipe, as I have been doing. A very quick recipe, and you won't believe how incredibly delicious this is. Let me grab my plate real quick. So what I'm going to do is, when the salmon's done, we're going to take the salmon out, and we are going to put it on a plate. And then with that yum yum inside the pan, we're going to create the beautiful Tuscan sauce. Yum, you won't believe how delicious this is. So easy and so delicious, you guys. All right, so now I'm going to grab my handy dandy, I call it half a whisk. We're not touching this. We're leaving this here for 5 minutes, guys. So when I come back, I'm going to turn them over. They're going to be brown. I'm going to show you what they look like on the plate, and we're going to get our sauce ready. I also have some Baby Yukon Gold potatoes, and I'm going to show you how I smash them with what I call my hamburger press. Like some smashed potato on a bed of smashed potatoes. Ooh, you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Look at this beautiful goodness. Check that out. Yum. Now we have all the goodness in there. So now we are going to add our garlic. Be careful, it's hot. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Not only is it going to add richness to the dish, but it will slow the olive oil down from burning. That's a tip, great tip. Okay, so we've got our butter in there. Yum. We're going to add our onion. What fragrance, my goodness. Let's melt our butter, sweat the onions, and then we're going to throw the sun-dried tomatoes in there. Yum. We're going to use another tablespoon of mango in here. Yum. As soon as we put our tomatoes in there, I'm going to show you guys. I love this stuff so much. So incredible how wonderful, how you can actually have some great flavor and not have to worry about the salt, sugar, or gluten. Incredible. Wow, look at those beauties. Aren't these beautiful, guys? Check that out. Look how beautiful those are. Wow. Woo, those are some nice fillets. All right, here we go. Our butter's melted. Now we're going to throw in our 5 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure if you buy them in oil, make sure you drain the oil, guys, from the sun-dried tomatoes. I never buy them in oil. And you can find them not in oil or in oil. This is amazing flavor. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I love my wooden spoons. I love my wooden spoons. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to cook these down for a few minutes. Oh, those sun-dried tomatoes give it such, oh my goodness, that smell. It smells amazing. All right, so we're going to do that. Yum. Give you a close-up of that. Look at that. Wow, how's that starting to look? Woo-wee. Those sun-dried tomatoes are amazing, guys. Amazing. Now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of water. Be careful with the oil. 1/3 cup of water. 1/3 cup of water. And we are going to add 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream. Yum. Before I add the cream, though, I'm going to add my tablespoon of mango. There we go. I'm all about building layers, guys. So now we're building the layer with our sauce. Some of that in there with our sauce. Yum. All right, so now we're going to do 1 3/4 cups of amazing heavy cream. Ooh, my goodness. This stuff is going to be incredible, guys. Be careful with cream as well. You need to just don't walk away from this, guys. You know, there's a lot of fat in cream, and that's what makes this dish so delicious. You know, we are indulging today a little bit with heavy cream. I mean, that's like heavy cream. Oh my goodness, I never do that. But I like to indulge once in a while, and it's not going to break the bank just to use a little bit of heavy cream. If you want to substitute it for milk, that's fine, but it's not going to be the same richness. So now I'm going to add my 3 cups of baby spinach. That's 1 1/4. Remember, spinach wilts down to nothing, so geez, no worries. 2, 3. There we go. I'm an eyeball kind of gal. We're gonna lower the heat and we're gonna wilt this down. Oh my God, yum. Okay, guys, I'm back. And our sauce is ready. Check that out. Look at that. Our Yukon Baby Gold potatoes are done. So now we are going to put our salmon back in our sauce. Yum. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. And we're going to put a tiny bit of cream in there. Look at that. Let me show you guys. See how easy that is? If you're curious, I probably boiled the potatoes for like 15 minutes. because I did boil them whole. They're small, but I did boil them whole. So these are not mashed potatoes, they're smashed potatoes. So therefore, they're very well set. So guys, when I come back, we are gonna plate this beauty and we are gonna taste. And you guys, you don't wanna miss this delicious, delicious Tuscan salmon dinner on a bed of Yukon Gold potatoes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm so excited. We're gonna plate this beauty. So we're gonna grab some of our potatoes. How beautiful that is. So now, I'm going to grab my salmon. All the sun-dried tomatoes. And the spinach. This stuff is delicious. Let me clean this. I hear somebody coming. Could be me, but I think I hear somebody coming. Hello?
Hey.
Oh, we can smell it. Look who it is, guys.
That's good.
Say hi, honey.
Hi.
My husband, John.
How's everybody doing out there? Looks great, babe.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Now I'm going to put a little Parmesan cheese on top of this beautiful Tuscan salmon.
It looks good, y'all.
Guys, look at this. Look at that. Look how beautiful that salmon on the bed of Yukon Gold potatoes is, guys. And I made it with my Holy Mango Organic Caribbean Seasoning Blend. For those of you that are veterans on my channel, you already know. Okay, so we've got some of our Yukon Gold potatoes, honey.
Mm-hmm.
I made some Tuscan salmon. Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
Looks good. Mouth watering. Oh my God. That's real good, babe.
I know.
That's incredible.
I know. He says that's real good, babe.
It is. It's incredible.
That's good. Let me try it now.
Go ahead, boo. It's the best.
You want to dance? Oh my God, it's delicious.
Real delicious.
Guys,
All the flavors incredible.
delicious. I put my potatoes 15 minutes. My fish was done in 5 on each side. That sauce, right away. Very easy. For those of you that are on the go and working so much, you know, we have, he's staring at the dish. You
Yeah,
want
it's I'm speechless.
Look at some sun-dried tomato. Oh my God, this stuff is good. Isn't that delicious? That sun-dried, sorry guys. I'm a double dipper, so.
It's incredible, guys. Definitely gotta try it.
Yum. So guys, remember, today we used our holy mango. And where are my other seasoning blends? Hold on. I'll cut all this out.
Snake. Just out the way, guys.
That's the great thing about knowing how to edit, John. John! Really, John?
Oh, she caught me, guys. I was trying real hard.
Okay, guys, I had my seasonings in my office. So today we used our organic holy mango on our delicious Tuscan salmon. We have our blazing gunpowder with 100% organic granulated honey in the mix, just enough to tame the heat, and my original. Guys, the link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Go to my store. Shipping is free. Pick your seasoning blends up. There's no salt, sugar, gluten, or MSG. This stuff is, how do we say it? How does Carlito say it? Off the chain. Right?
It is.
Off the chain, guys. This stuff is incredible.
The meat right.
And also, yeah, I'm sorry. And also something incredible as well that will be in my description, honey. I just published my recipe journal on Amazon. You can pick it up paperback or hardcover. That's wonderful. Yeah, over 100 pages. You can sit in the comfort, of your own home, and you can, while you're watching my cooking show, you can jot down the ingredients, the instructions. It's really, really nice. Very, very nice and very helpful. And it's also great quality, so it's a good keepsake.
Yes, it is.
You know what I mean?
Father's Day is coming up too.
Yeah, yes, Father's Day is coming up too. Don't forget, guys, Father's Day is coming up. We still have time. Make sure you pick up your seasoning blends for Dad. Go to the link in my bio to my Shopify store, and you'll see our gift boxes. And if you want me to ship them somewhere else, drop ship them for someone, I will. And guys, the 2 most important main ingredients in every recipe that I use, which are
passion and love.
That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. Incorporate passion and love, those two main ingredients in any recipe that you create in your kitchen, and I promise you that you won't fail, guys.
You won't
fail. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this new seasoning blend series today of our Tuscan salmon. It's incredible. Let me know in the comments what you think. And guys, as I always say from the bottom of my heart, au revoir. No, sorry. Au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.